that when she's praying and the kids are jumping around or the babies, how many times she's allowed to move to pick up the baby or to calm him down? It doesn't matter as long as you're not doing an unnecessary movement. When we pray in the haram, when we pray in big crowds, you find people keep themselves busy looking at their watches, fixing their ring, fixing their whatever, and doing unnecessary things, picking up their phone, looking at it. That nullifies the prayer, unnecessary movements. But you have to do something. You have flu and you keep picking up the tissue, sneezing or coughing, blowing your nose. You've done that 10 times in the prayer. It's okay. You're doing that because you have to, not because you're playing around. The baby, you're carrying the baby and you're praying. I believe, and Allah knows best, you have a greater word because you have to look after the baby, and meanwhile, you're not missing a voluntary prayer.